Amazon Prime Video. Okay.
Okay, another view of my child. Is anyone seeing Mary?
Didn't they just buy MGM, James Bond and the lights for $8 billion? Yo,
that he built this wife.
wow, a bunch of people from the future showed up.
We are fighting a war 30 years in the
มา
future.
จากอนาคตนะจ๊ะ
Damn.
Our enemy is not here. We need you to fight.
So they came back from the future to get them prepared.
ในในลบในอนาคตอะไรเงี้ย
They came back in time. Years.
ตัวแทนจากโลกอดีตจากโลกปัจจุบันในโลกอนาคตอะไรเงี้ย
So are they getting people from the past to them being satisfied with them?
What's
the step?
This device facilitates eject to and from the future war.
Sure to spread. Move it.
Yeah, they just crafting anything.
This feels like Independence Day and all the people who have no experience.
This looks super cheesy.
All human beings in the future will be wiped from the face of the earth.
Probably falling to their death.
You help us.
Twist on the whole time jump. Nobody tried to get it back.
Human species will disappear from the face of the earth. Literally living on our time.
Put in the Amazon.
ลบอะไรวะเนี่ย
Yo, those the aliens?
ลบกับเอเลี่ยน
Definitely.
ไปดูกันได้นะครับที่ช่อง Amazon
Ooh, it's
นั่น
gonna
เอง
have
นะ
jump
ครับ
scares and everything.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
การส่งท้ายนะ
You know what? It looks like a lot of fun. To be really honest, it looks very much like a very popcorn type films that would come out with like The Rock or something like that, where some of the stuff like Poseidon or big budget, like action.
Looks good.
That's exactly what it looks like.